Today's keto-friendly lunch. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast, and it's stuffed with feta cheese and wrapped in bacon. Came out absolutely incredible. So yummy, and only like one carbohydrate per roll because the feta cheese is the only thing that has carbohydrates in it. You can see inside the little part where there's feta cheese. So simple to make. I just filleted the breasts almost all the way in half, left them connected, and put cheese, rolled them around the cheese, and then I wrapped them in bacon and popped them in the oven on 425 for an hour. Simple and tasty and keto friendly.